The good thing about this channel is how we turn waste to useful and luxurious elements. I'm Lucy, and in this channel we do all things DIY, all things decor, and a little of lifestyle. So if you're new here, you best subscribe because everything here is goody good. In today's video, we're going to be making two decorative ladders from absolute waste. I had this mop sticks that's been flying around. The mobs were all gone and dead, but I knew I needed to store it for this purpose. So today we're going to be using the mop sticks, and the last time I went to the wood market, I was able to pick out this wood. It was thrown away because it had like dents on it. I don't know why they threw it away, but your girl picked it up, you know, did some touches on it. I had to sand it down myself and, you know, clean out the dents and things around it. And today we're going to be using them. We're going to be using just two tools here, let's say three. One of the tools we're going to be using is my drill machine for putting the nail in. We're going to be using my clamp and a saw. Very easy DIY. You can use just a nail and a hammer if you don't have an impact drill. So yeah, let's head to the video. This wood, I picked this wood from the wood market. This was totally free for me, and I'm going to be using it to create a decorative ladder today. Also, on a second thought, I felt this wood is too short for a decorative ladder, and using a mop stick as well. So we're going to be creating two decorative ladders. Then you tell me the one you prefer, the one you like most. But then yeah, I really hope there's no transfer of this print on the actual wood, because like that happens sometimes. So I hope not, because I really don't want to have to stain this wood today. So I'm going to start by removing the wrap on this mop stick. Once I'm done taking off the wrap, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the end where you fix to the mop, because that's really not going to give me a good finish. So I'm going to cut that out and then start cutting my wood to my desired size. I measured this out already, so I'm going to just cut to size. So to join this mop sticks to the actual wood, I already marked out the parts where I was going to join from. I'm going to go ahead and join it with my drill gun, and yeah. I love the both of them, but this one is my favorite one. So the only problem with this one is the fact that the prints transferred, and I told you from the onset I was not going to stain any wood, so I decided to use it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the point where I'm going to join my wood from, and then drill it open, because this needs you to open it before driving your nails, because if you don't do that it might crack, and this wood is kind of too dry and strong. So I joined the 4 pieces of the smaller wood to these 2 sides of the longer ones, and that's because I'm trying to make a 4-step ladder with this one. It's way longer and way bigger, or let me not say bigger, but like way longer. So yeah. So now I'm going to go ahead and join the other side, but I'm going to do that off camera. By the way, these prints are really annoying. If you have the time, it's good to sand it down, sand it out. It's just a grade 100 sandpaper and you're good to go. So this is the final look, guys. It's so beautiful. I really love it. And